I didn't mean you had to do that, but hey everybody, this is Matt, the Low Cash Homestead. Tonight we're checking out this TBJ Gourmet Classic Uncured Bacon Jam. I found this at Wally World, and it is pretty good. So we're gonna pass around the table and see what everybody thinks about it.
John's already dipping it.
What do you think, buddy? Don't look at the camera. I can't show your face. What do you think?
Good.
Is it good? Okay. Katie, you gonna try it?
Uh-huh.
Here's a chip. Here's a chip.
Dip your chip in there.
What do you think, Katie?
That you eat that.
No, you eat it.
I eat that.
Take a bite.
Take a bite of the dip, Katie.
Take a bite of the dip and tell me, is it good or not?
Yes.
It's nasty? Okay,
No.
Katie doesn't like it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, well then eat it. Oh, I don't think Katie likes it. What about you? You like it? All right, let's pass it on. What about you? Hold on, let me get around here. What about you?
It's good.
It's good?
We're good.
All right, what about you? Here we go, next person.
I need a chip.
Well, get a chip then. There's 3 bags of chips on the table. Pick a chip.
Run.
Dalton.
You like it? Okay.
Hey, bud, can I borrow a chip? I have no chips.
Dee, what do you like? Oh, that's a big honking chunk of it there, Dee.
Yeah.
Tell me, yes or no?
Yes.
Good. All right, let me walk back around here. Oh.
It's like that bacon you made. Bacon grease mayonnaise.
Oh, the bacon grease mayonnaise was delicious.
Dot. Really?
Check out the lowcashhomestead.com and check out bacon grease mayonnaise. What do you think, Haley?
Good.
Good?
One's getting
I thought you said it was nasty last time. You changed your mind? Oh, John's going for a double dip. What do you think, John?
Oh, the triple dip.
Good? Okay, all right, fine. One more. It's a small jar, guys, and $7. I think it's about $7. I don't remember.
We pass it over here.
Okay, we'll pass it one more time around. You got yours. Everybody has different chips. I'm using Cruncher's Sweet Hawaiian Onion.
Daddy.
Some of the kids are using Tom's Cheddar
Or Tom's barbecue.
or Tom's Barbecue.
Rip cut.
And then we have Tom's bacon fries. Bacon cheddar fries chips. So, not really an organic meal tonight, but sometimes you just gotta have some stuff that you like.
Daddy, I did only good.
There are a lot of arms reaching across the table for the Uncured Bacon Jam.
A jar.
This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good night.